So clearly, in terms of acquisition of skill set, you can acquire both, technical skills and as well as business skills. So from a technical skills perspective, there are multiple tools which are being used in analytics. Historically, there were enterprise softwares, and still enterprise softwares are very popular. But increasingly, the world is moving towards open source technologies. So when I say open source technologies, R is being used as a tool for analytics and modeling. Python is being increasingly used in the analytics world. So whole of Hadoop stack technologies and SQL databases, and in terms of to manage big data technologies, again Spark and Hadoop based technologies are very important to understand. And clearly, if you look at organizations like Facebook, Google, Amazon, of course we know all of them, but to me they are analytics companies because they use analytics and data in a very innovative way. They use it day in, day out. Real-time analytics is being done to understand consumer behaviors and predict consumer behaviors. Typically what I have seen when I started working in analytics, there were not many colleges and universities which were offering analytics as a course. But now I understand there are some colleges and there are institutes and training companies which have started this program, and which is very good because earlier we used to struggle in finding the right talent, and we used to spend a lot of time in training the talent. So it's good that a lot of online courses are available which can be used by students for building that understanding in analytics. So while, as I said, it's good to start your career right from the beginning, but given that it's a relatively new field, people who are into the marketing area, HR area, IT, they can still get into analytics. So one approach could be to enroll yourself in some of these courses so that you get an orientation about the analytics. Another approach could be to get into these companies, while you may have to initially compromise on your compensation or because you are new to the area. So do it, in my opinion, just acquire those skills because it's important to build your resume, build your skill set in analytics, and then of course I don't see compensation as an issue in this area because there is a scarcity of the skill set, I would say, across the globe. While if you look at more matured economies in US and Europe, analytics is being used by most of the market leaders. It's well ingrained in the culture of the organization, high performing organizations. In India, it is picking up very well. We work with a number of companies across sectors where analytics has become very important for the growth of their business. So I would say yes, it is relatively recession proof because if the business is not doing well, then you need to optimize your costs. And to optimize your costs, to bring in marketing efficiencies, you have to spend less money or use your money in a more judicious manner. And also in a growth phase, when we are not in recession and it's a growth economy in the country or across the globe, then obviously to grow profitably is an imperative. And to do that, it is extremely important that we use data to park our money in such a fashion that we get the maximum return on investment or on our investments on analytics. So in a nutshell, analytics is a career which is definitely coming up extremely well in India and elsewhere across the globe. There are certain skill sets which are required, obviously both technical skills as well as soft skills. I would say that if you are trying to work with a client, what a client sees in a data scientist or within the organization itself, you have to be a trusted advisor, you have to be able to communicate well with the customer, you have to understand the challenges and priorities of the customer and the client organization, and most of all you need to have solid problem solving skills. You have to understand clients' problems, clients' challenges, and convert that into an analytical problem and then help it resolve through analytics. Analytics can help solve business problems. Unless you articulate the problem well, unless you understand the problem well, you won't be able to solve that problem for the client. So that's, I mean, my advice to all of you would be that definitely look at analytics as a career choice. And it's a good time to be in analytics given that there is a constant need of data scientists. You can acquire those skills. You can start some analytics program in your current organizations as well. And of course, try to build that culture and, that education about analytics as well.